Hey everybody, it's Martin McKenzie from Wahl, and today I'm going to go through our new waterproof stainless steel trimmer. If we take a look at the trimmer itself, you're going to notice a few different things. Firstly, let's take a look at the design. This is the first time since the stainless steel trimmer's come out that we've actually redesigned it, so it has this nice chrome finish on it. Even when you hit the on and off button, you're going to notice this nice little glow. Does it do anything for you in the trimmer? No. Does it look awesome and look really cool when you're charging your trimmer overnight? Yes, it does. So it's a nice little added advantage. One thing to note as well, this is a brand new color I'm holding here. This is our new metallic bronze. When you see it in the store, it is going to look extremely sharp. So we're really proud to offer this new color. The other thing to note too is we still have our T-blade on it, which gives us an ultra close cut. But this version has something called a DLC. So what's the DLC? It means diamond-like coating. What that allows us to do is give you a smoother, cooler cut. So when you're using it, it's going to be much more user-friendly, but it's also going to keep the blade cooler. So you can just keep trimming and edging up and outlining any beards or goatees that you'd like. Also important to note too, it still has your 6-hour runtime, 1-hour charge time. Again, I did say that this is waterproof, so this is an IPX7. What does that really mean? When you scale waterproofing, you go from 0 to 8. So we're on the very high end at 7. So that means you can run it under the sink, you can take it into the shower and use it. If you want to rub-a-dub-dub in the tub, you can use it there too. There's no issues. This is going to be completely safe to use. You'll also notice if you are using it in the shower or running it under the tap, there's a little groove at the bottom. This just allows all that water to come down. So everything is going to drain out, so nothing from the internals is going to kind of fry on you. We have new guide combs. So these have a metal clip, so it's going to stay in place much easier. It also has a easier to read sizing, so you don't have to mix up if I'm using a 1 or a 1.5 or a 2. But more importantly, we've actually upgraded all of these guide combs so they're much more durable. They're not going to bend and break on you. So it's going to make you have a cleaner cut and a more consistency in that cut. So it's a really good little feature to have. And then we have also updated our 6-position guide comb into a 10-position guide comb. And that comes with our standard blade. That also comes with our T-blade. So for those guys who have a longer beard or a goatee or a mustache, this is going to give you much more variety in terms of the length you want to use when you're grooming. And then another nice new feature for this new waterproof stainless steel trimmer is our vertical nose trimmer. So this is ear, nose, and brow. And what's really nice with this is even though guys don't want to talk about it, we always want to make sure we're conscious of not having a lot of nose whiskers popping out. So this new attachment is going to make it much easier for us men to kind of clean ourselves up before we go out into the world. If we take a look at the packaging, right away you're going to be able to see that this new and improved stainless steel trimmer is waterproof. We're also going to highlight some of the features that the trimmer itself has. One of the other things to notice with the packaging is that gone is all that plastic and it's now cardboard. This is done intentionally because it makes it a lot easier to recycle and it makes us more consciously sustainable as a company, which is really important. And then lastly, when you're using the Wahl, one, you're going to feel the weight of this clipper, but it's also important to know with over 100 years of experience and innovation, when you're using a Wahl product, you're going to get quality each and every time.